Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. Having a healthy sex drive is linked to feeling physically and emotionally healthy, so it's no surprise that the foods you eat play a role in boosting your sex life. A nutritious diet can benefit your sex life in many ways. Boosting your libido, improving blood flow and heart health, improving your stamina. Eating a diet rich in vegetables and lean proteins and low in foods that contain sugar and saturated fat can also help to prevent disorders that affect your libido, like metabolic syndrome and hormonal conditions. Here are 7 foods to help boost your sex life. Number 1. Oysters. You've probably heard about the aphrodisiac properties of oysters. The reason for this is that oysters are high in zinc. This compound increases blood flow, which may aid blood flow to the sex organs. Zinc may be especially important in male fertility, as it helps regulate testosterone levels. Oysters contain more zinc than any other food source, with one serving providing 73% trusted source of your daily value. Number 2. Salmon. Salmon is well known for having heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. The pink-fleshed fish, as well as sardines, tuna and halibut, could play a role in keeping your body, and your sex life, healthy. Omega-3s help prevent the buildup of plaque in your arteries. This promotes healthy blood flow throughout your body. Keeping the circulatory system working smoothly reduces the risk of certain diseases that impair sexual function. Number 3. Certain meats. Eating meats, or other foods that contain specific amino acids, could help improve your sex life. Keep in mind, though, that eating too much red meat can be bad for your heart. If you're following a vegetarian diet, you can get these nutrients from whole grains and dairy products, including milk and cheese. Carnitine and L-arginine are amino acids found in various high-protein foods. Whole grains and milk are especially good sources of zinc. Number 4. Nuts and seeds. Instead of candy, try snacking on a handful of nuts and seeds. Cashews and almonds are chock full of zinc, while a host of healthy snacks contain L-arginine to get your blood flowing. Nuts and seeds contain compounds, including zinc, L-arginine, and omega-3s that could help increase your sexual function. Number 5. Apples. High blood pressure can lead to sexual dysfunction, because blood vessel damage impairs blood flow to the genitals. In females, high blood pressure can lead to a lower libido, and less interest in sex, particularly if it causes fatigue. Lower blood flow to the vagina can affect how their body responds to sexual activity. Overall, a diet rich in flavonoids to boost your overall health, and keep your sex life healthy. Apples are rich in a compound called quercetin. This antioxidant, a type of flavonoid, may offer a number of health benefits. Number 6. Red wine. Like apples, red wine contains quercetin, an antioxidant that boosts blood flow. A 2009 study involving 798 women found that regular, moderate intake of red wine was linked with higher sexual desire, lubrication, and overall sexual function. Researchers noted that drinking more than 2 glasses of red wine daily, or indulging in other types of alcoholic beverages didn't produce the same results. Number 7. Beets. Beetroots are rich in antioxidants and vitamins, making a healthful addition to any diet. They're also high in dietary nitrates, which means they could help boost your sex life. Dietary nitrates expand the blood vessels, a process known as vasodilation, which improves blood flow. This has beneficial effects on muscle contraction. Because of this, some athletes use nitrates to boost performance. Some studies' trusted source even suggest that just 1 dose of beetroot juice, or doses over a few days, could improve people's performance at intermittent, high-intensity exercise, with short rest periods. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.